Brandy done burnt up some hot dogs and hamburgers. Burnt up some hot dogs and hamburgers.
It's not a competition, wifey.
It's not a competition. I was just letting you know that you can't, you know what I'm saying?
It's not a competition, wifey. It's not a competition,
and you got
wifey.
your own faults.
It's not a competition, wifey. We're a team, not competitors.
We can have cook-offs and stuff. Alright guys, so this is our last day at the beach.
It's been an amazing trip.
It has really been refreshing and revitalizing to kind of just step away from reality.
Yes.
This is our first time at this particular beach, and this is clearly not our last time.
No, we're coming back immediately.
Yeah, it's really low key, really quiet, and that's exactly what we were looking for. We were afraid that it was going to be too cold, but it's perfect. Like we couldn't stand for it to be any warmer than this. So
and it's really not that bad of a drive. I know we had some hiccups on the way in, but hey.
Yeah, it was about a 5-hour drive.
Yeah, it was about 5 hours, so it was all worth it.
Yeah, so now I'm about to go back to our townhome and freshen up, chill out for a minute. Then we're gonna go probably find somewhere with some oysters and some drinks and some good food.
Let's get some seafood, baby.
Yeah, so this is our last night here, so we gotta make the best of it. We'll check in with y'all later.
We're at the hub, guys. So this is right here in our neighborhood. They got all these cool little spots, little open top bar. They got the chill area with the kids, big screen TV. You can come out, watch the game or watch a movie. They got live entertainment. Hey, check it out. This is Dr. G.
Hey, Chris, come over here for a minute.
This is Dr. G and
Chris, come over here.
Thank you, brother.
All right, I gotta stand with the big guy. Right.
Hey. So wait, no, Dr. G.
850.
There it is.
791.
Here we go, guys.
I'm not even a redneck, but I am a redneck.
He went before you.
Uh-oh, he already...
There it is. Hey, Big D. What's up?
I'm Big D by the C. It's all lowercase letters. BIGDBYTHESEA.
Is that's your Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay. Big D by the C. Hey, so you know we had to find the cigar bar. But this is probably like the most organized cigar bar I've been. What you think, babe? What you about to smoke on?
I have she told me, it's the cherry and vanilla cream. So cute.
Love it. Love it, love it.
I didn't give you a glass of water though.
They got beer in wine. Yeah, they got beer in wine.
So, babe, wait, let's tell them about the people we just met.
Oh my God, these folks are amazing. So
everywhere we go, we always, like, people are always like, they always come to talk to us.
Like, we were just sitting there. Yeah, we're just sitting there.
And so the guy randomly, and you know, I'm kind of guarded because I'm just like, is he trying to steal our bikes?
No, I instantly knew what it was. I knew what it was. I knew who it was. I knew they had something to say.
I'm just checking out the camera.
Oh, hey.
What's up, nigga?
It's now Sunday afternoon, well, Sunday morning still. We were supposed to leave today, but we liked it so much here that we decided to stay another day. You excited about it, babe?
Oh, I'm super excited.
Now,
I didn't want to leave anyway.
yeah, I didn't want to leave either. I just felt like it wasn't long enough. It's just so relaxing and beautiful here. Like, the weather is beautiful. The people are so nice, and it's just really relaxing. It's a great just a great getaway from our regular routine. So now we're headed, I guess we're headed to go get some lunch to another part of the area that we haven't. Well, we went down there yesterday to the beach, but I think there's like more restaurants and stuff past like the beach entrance that we went to. So
well, we checking out the restaurants that our friends that we met yesterday are trying to put us on, and they're locals. Well, they're not really local, but they own property here, so they're here all the time.
Yeah, they were putting us on some different restaurants and stuff, so we'll go check those out and see what those are all about. I kind of low-key want to go to the beach again today, but I've got like a stomach bug or something. Like last night trying to eat some steak, and I know I don't eat beef like that.
The steak was delicious.
The steak was really good, but it made me sick. Like, it just made my stomach hurt. Like my stomach has been in knots. Like, oh yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
You want to stop at her?
No, not really.
So check this out. We met this cool dentist, and he owns a cabin, and we just passed by his cabin. He gave us an open invite, and they're actually really cool people. A little bit older, but really cool. And we just saw them hanging out outside. They said they're hanging out all the time.
Well, I told him, I was like, if we go over there, I feel like we're gonna wake up and not know what happened the next morning. Like, they the type of people that literally will, like,
they party hard.
Seem like it'll be like a hangover edition. Like,
yeah.
I could so see that happening. And I don't know those people, but I mean, they were fun. But I just know that I could tell they were like party hardy people. So what I was saying was, my stomach has been in knots all morning because I ate beef, and I never ever eat beef. So we'll check in with you guys a little later. We're gonna see if we can find a cool restaurant or something to vlog from. So we'll keep you posted. Well, we came out here to the beach just to get one last view at this beautiful sight. We may come back out here later, but we just stopped by since it was just on the way to wherever we're going. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh, wait, no, those aren't dolphins. Oh, I see them.
The dolphins are swimming with the seagulls.
Oh, that's cool.
That's amazing. The birds are jumping into the water.
They trying to grab some fish, probably, but
they trying to get the leftovers from the dolphins. Huh?
Yeah. But yeah, it's a little like not chilly, but the wind is blowing. But yeah.
Hey, what's up, everybody? We just sitting here hanging out, and hey, there go wifey. So we're just sitting here hanging out, man, enjoying the beautiful scenery. Right now we're sitting in somewhat of a pavilion. Grassy areas, families playing, and we're just enjoying life right now. So we just wanted to share a little bit of this location with you guys too. This spot actually has a bunch of cool places where we showed you guys the record store as well as the Great Southern, which is, some great cuisine. And it's right across the street from the beach. So we literally just hung out at the beach for a while, got some food, and now we've been laying in the grass for a minute, enjoying ourselves. So it's been an amazing trip, a very amazing trip. Yes. And
yes, tomorrow we're heading home.
Yeah, last day in paradise. Yeah, last day in paradise.
And when I tell you we haven't done anything special, but spend time with each other, that's special. True enough, that's definitely special. But it was just a great, refreshing, peaceful, just trip. The people here are just so nice. It's beautiful here.
All right, well, we're just checking in with you guys, man. We're gonna enjoy the rest of our day. Peace. Good morning. Last day of the beach trip, and we just got everything back straightened out, cleaned out. Say good morning, babe. Good
morning.
Hey, so man, we about to blow. It's been an amazing trip. Like, I know we've said that 10,000 times on this vlog, but we'll definitely be back. The quality time was amazing. We had some awesome conversations, met some awesome people, and now we're about to hit this road. Now we got some awesome goals to crush. Good call out, babe. All right, cool. Well, we'll see y'all in a minute.
We're about to get some break from brunch.
Some brunch. Boom.
So we're having our last dinner. Our last meal of our mini getaway, and we're at this place called Big Back Breakfast. We have a really good menu. The guy that recommended it to us was telling us about the Low Country, And then, because I'm still a little, I'm still really not that hungry or have a big of an appetite, I may do the avocado toast here. And babe, what are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about the Low Country, actually.
Low Country?
Yeah, but those.
Okay, I wanted something light and clearly. But this is the avocado toast with arugula, pico de gallo, poached egg, and crab meat. And babe got, what is that?
This is the cat head chicken gravy biscuit with potato hash.
Oh, okay. His slices of cheese on top. This should be yummy.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be delicious. I want to taste your crab meat.
Okay. All right. Well, guys, we made it back to the Atlanta city limits. Thank God. And
Instantly get a dose of reality.
yeah, we're already in traffic.
45 minutes. We're 15 minutes from the house right now.
So yeah.
And the nav says we're gonna get there in 45.
Yeah, so reality is certainly set back in now for sure. I mean, we just came back from the beach and the sun, then it's gloomy here and there's traffic and just we experienced no traffic down there. Just,
I wasn't even thinking about traffic though.
yeah, me either.
I was like, oh, this is easy breezy. You had just said that. Oh, the ride back has been pretty smooth.
Yeah, maybe I spoke too soon.
Yeah.